Hello, my name is Kate. I am an American student studying Arabic in Morocco at Lincoln Institute for Language and Culture Exchange. Lincoln Institute is a nonprofit organization located in Rabat, Morocco, offering study abroad programs, Arabic language and content courses, housing services, culture activities, trips, and excursions. My experience studying abroad at Lincoln Institute in Rabat, Morocco has shaped my life differently. I excelled at my level in the Arabic language with the highest academic standards led by excellent Arabic language professors, as it also has given me a real immersion experience through living with a Moroccan host family. This experience enriched my intercultural competencies, my career scope, and brought many opportunities in my professional life. Studying at Lincoln Institute is a real deal in all terms. The weather, the local community, the food are all amazing. For more information, you can find the contact information of the Institute in the description.